Hi friends, welcome. Last video we have already covered a stretch command. In this video we will cover rotate command. I have this object, I want to rotate this one. To rotate this object we will use the rotate command here. And select object, right click, or you can just click the base point, or you can also select it here. After that you can rotate like this manually, or you can rotate like this also. But you have to give a certain angle. I want to rotate this one this side, so I will give minus angle, and this side no need to give minus. So I want to rotate down, not this side, this side. If I want to rotate this side, I will give minus 180. So this is rotate down. I want to give again rotate, the same position, go for the rotate, select object, base point. Now I will give this one 180, so it will become here. And also we can give the any angle. If I will go for again rotate, select object, enter, base point. I want to this one, it still is the 19 degree. I want to give him more degree, or just 45 degree. So give minus 45, enter. So this is in the 45 degree. So it was all about only rotate command. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe my channel, help me to growing up. Thanks for watching, see you again.